Welcome back everyone to a new video. In today's episode we're going to take a look at the new product that YouHodler just launched. And I have to tell you, I'm not very happy with this product. We will get into the reasons why in just a second. But let me quickly tell you, even though I don't like the new product, I'm still using the savings account. I think they offer good rates, for example 5% on gold or 9% on BUSD. And this without a lockup period, so yeah, I think it's a decent rate. Now let's get into the new product that they launched about 2 weeks ago. Alright, so the product is called Dual Investments, but I think there is a little catch to it if you read the terms of service. And I think many people are not reading it, but first let's check out what this product is all about.
The dual asset service is a simple way to stake crypto or stablecoins and earn high interest rates. It's a multifaceted win-win solution for users that want to participate in liquidity pools and swap protocols without the complexity of advanced DeFi platforms. To start earning with Dual, please complete the following steps. Choose a cryptocurrency pair from the assets list, for example, BTC USDT. Select the input coin, Bitcoin or stablecoins, depending on your wallet balance. Choose a staking plan depending on your strategy, from 1 to 5 days. As an example, let's say you chose the 1-day staking plan with 365% APR. In the next 24 hours, you will get your Bitcoin or USDT back depending on the market price. If the Bitcoin price is less than it was when you opened your position, you get your payout in BTC plus 365% APR on your payment. If the Bitcoin price is the same or higher than when you opened your position, you get back your USDT plus the 365% calculated for 1 day. Regardless of market volatility, you earn a payout in Tether or Bitcoin. Therefore, it's a win-win solution. That's how dual asset service works. Give it a try today.
Okay, here's what I don't like about this presentation. From the video it seems like no matter what happens, you cannot lose money, you always make money. And the second thing is, where is the 360% APY coming from? And there's more. Let me quickly show you the terms of service and what really concerns me about this. I don't want to bore you with this wall of text, but I encourage you to take your time and read it. But for example here, it says, you have the necessary knowledge and you are fully aware of the risk indicated in this agreement. Well, the presentation to me, again, it seems like there is no risk, no matter what the market is doing. So where is the risk exactly? I don't understand it. But under termination, it gets more interesting. You accept that the company may retain your fiat or your cryptocurrency and set them off against any claim of the company for damages. I mean, this sounds so vague, and how I understand it is in the worst case, they just take your crypto and your fiat currency. And again, this is why I really don't like this product, because how it's advertised, it's completely different. But I would like to hear your thoughts. Have you tried it already? Have you got some experience with it? Did you make money? Did you lose money? Let me know in the comments. However, after reading the terms of service, I will stay away from this product. I will keep using the savings account. I think, or in my opinion, that is the better product. And it has been working for me for more than a year, so I will stick to this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.